Who can resist the allure of a sweet ending to a meal? Desserts, in their myriad forms, not only satiate our sweet tooth but also tell tales of culture, tradition, and innovation. Imagine biting into a fluffy, cloud-like Japanese cheesecake, its delicate sweetness perfectly balanced with a light, airy texture. This dessert hails from Japan, where perfection and simplicity often blend seamlessly in their cuisine. The Japanese cheesecake is a testament to the minimalist approach, requiring precision and care, making it a beloved treat not just in Japan but around the world. Now transport yourself to Italy, where the rich, creamy delight known as tiramisu takes center stage. Layered with espresso-soaked ladyfingers and a mascarpone cheese mixture, dusted with cocoa, this dessert offers a sublime experience. It's a reflection of Italian love for deep flavors and indulgent experiences. Tiramisu, translating to pick-me-up in Italian, does exactly that with its invigorating coffee presence. Crossing over to the Middle East, we find ourselves savoring baklava. This sweet, nutty dessert made from layers of phyllo pastry, filled with chopped nuts and soaked in honey, is commonly enjoyed in countries like Turkey and Greece. Each bite of baklava is a crunchy, sweet, and nutty delight, showcasing the region's affinity for combining simple ingredients to create flavorful masterpieces. Venture further into the vibrant streets of India, where the scent of cardamom and rosewater drifts through the air. Here lies the Gulab Jaman, a classic Indian dessert. These deep-fried dough balls, lovingly soaked in a sweet, fragrant syrup, are a staple at celebrations. Every syrupy bite speaks to the heart of Indian festivities and the country's penchant for robust flavors. Lastly, let's explore the French Riviera through the indulgent lens of creme brulee. This dessert's elegant simplicity hides an explosion of flavors. Beneath the hard caramelized top lies a creamy custard base, often infused with vanilla or other essences. It's a dance of textures and tastes, capturing the essence of French culinary finesse. In this journey across continents, from the fluffy heights of Japanese cheesecake to the syrup-soaked sweetness of Indian Gulab Jaman, desserts do more than just conclude a meal. They are an expression of cultural identity, creativity, and the universal love for sweetness. Consider bringing a piece of the world into your kitchen by trying your hand at these diverse and delightful desserts. Each recipe not only challenges your culinary skills but also expands your taste horizons, allowing you to savor the world one dessert at a time. Whether it's the creamy layers of tiramisu or the crunchy sweetness of baklava, the perfect dessert awaits to be discovered by you. Happy exploring and even happier tasting!